It's hard to imagine just how much trauma our first responders see each and every day on the job. It impacts them in a big way. But one Valley department is hoping to put an emphasis on mental health and supporting them. Amelia Fabiano joining us live now. Amelia, we know this is now more important than ever.
Yeah, Nick, the assistant fire chief here at Scottsdale Fire Department tells me the pandemic has put so much more stress on firefighters and really first responders everywhere, right? For an already very stressful job. They're understaffed in a lot of departments across the country. They're having to pick up more shifts, especially when people call out because they have COVID or their family members have COVID. And because of that, they're exposed to more traumatic calls simply because they're working longer, right? So they're trying to make sure they're keeping the dialogue open about mental health for those who help us.
You have to have certain friends that you can reach out to. It's so important to share what you're feeling and to be vulnerable. And firefighters, just like most first responders, don't want to be vulnerable because we want to be the strong ones.
As the saying goes, you can't help others unless you help yourself first. It's true, even for our community's first responders.
The stress level has climbed, society's stress level has climbed, and then you add the stress of the job. We really need to keep an eye on our members to make sure they have every resource possible.
Scottsdale Fire Department is putting those resources in the palms of their firefighters' hands.
It's definitely used more during the pandemic.
The app Fireproof, a tool the 100 Club of Arizona created to do just that. It's a confidential and anonymous resource that provides firefighters across the state with mental health and wellness initiatives, addiction awareness tools, and direction towards treatment and care.
And this is all available to family members as well.
President and CEO Angela Harrell tells me her organization typically helps provide resources when a first responder is lost in the line of duty. She tells me, though, how they're ramping up efforts to help with mental health, too.
The more that we can do more proactively, the less we have to do reactively. They show up with their A game. Well, how do they get there? Who supports them? Who makes sure that they do and can come with their A game? And that's us.
Helping those who help us rise to the challenge.
You can't bottle it up.
Yeah, so the 100 Club of Arizona also has a similar app for police officers. It's called Bulletproof, very similar to Fireproof, right? It has very similar resources on there, just more geared towards police officers. And both of these apps are available to our first responders all across the state. Back to you.
Yeah, and Amelia, I think just even the fact that we're having this conversation right now shows how far we've gone, but we need to go even further, right, to make sure we're helping all of our first responders. Great report.